Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you this Mumbai chapati style Tava Pav Bhaji with a secret garlic chutney. So let's begin. So in a pressure cooker, I'm heating 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cubed potatoes, that's raw potatoes, and cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes. And once they get nice coating of the oil, I'm adding 1 carrot cut in cubes, 1 beetroot roughly chopped. This will give a beautiful red color to the pav bhaji. 2 to 3 green chilies. Mix everything well. And guys, if you want, you can use any other vegetables also like cabbage and all. Next goes in 2 to 3 tomatoes roughly chopped and mix and cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will be enough for the perfect red color, so you don't need any artificial color for your pav bhaji. Mix, and then I'm adding just a cup of water. Do not add too much of water as we'll be using the entire mixture. Cover it with a lid and cook for about 2 to 3 whistles until all the vegetables are perfectly done. Let's remove the lid and check. You can see the vegetables are nicely cooked, soft. You can also see the beautiful color. Mash the vegetables. So use a pav bhaji masher for this. Mash all of them nicely and keep it aside. Next up, in a big tawa or a pan, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. So guys, butter is must for chapati style taste. Then add in 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm adding 1 big onion finely chopped. Mix and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions are soft and slight golden brown in color. Do not turn them very dark. After about 3 minutes, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix and cook that as well for another 2 more minutes. Followed by some capsicum. So in goes a capsicum finely chopped. Cook that as well for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the capsicums are soft enough. And when you see it has done, turn the flame to low as we are going to add in some spices. In goes a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji Masala. You can use any brand of Pav Bhaji Masala. And now comes the most important and secret ingredient, my favorite. This will make your pav bhaji 2 times tastier, that is 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic chutney. You can check the recipe on my channel. The link of the same I'll give you in the description box below. I'm also adding a teaspoon of kasuri methi for that extra flavoring along with some fresh coriander. Mix. So guys, I'm really enjoying making this pav bhaji on this big tawa or pan. I was very excited to use this, and you should definitely try this secret garlic chutney as it will make all the difference. So it's cooked enough. I'm adding a cup of water. Let it boil. So you can see the texture is exactly similar to what you get in chapatis. And guys, today I'm using this big size tawa. You can use any pan also. Then I'm adding some frozen peas, and in case you're planning to use fresh peas, then you can add that in the pressure cooker only. So peas are also nicely cooked. At this stage, we'll add in all the mashed vegetables. Mix and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. And keep breaking the chunks if any. You can adjust the salt and keep cooking the pav bhaji until you get your desired texture. I'm also adding some water to adjust the consistency and again mix. Superb. You can see this texture and consistency. Slight oil floating on top. At this stage, add in some lemon juice and fresh coriander and mix. And I'm also adding my favorite extra, a dollop of butter. for that extra flavor and glaze. And that's it. Our street style Tava Pav Bhaji is ready. But wait guys, I'm going to show you the plating as well. So keep this bhaji on one side, add a knob of butter, let it melt, some garlic chutney, some fresh coriander, mix and place these soft pavs over it and cook it from both the sides. Superb. You can see this is the way of serving this. Serve it piping hot on the pav bhaji plate along with some pav, some salad and garlic chutney on the side. This recipe is to die for. You must try this recipe for sure. And if you enjoyed watching this video as much I did in making it, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you soon with another exciting one. Bye bye.